Good morning, girls. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Today we are going to see the next counting principle, that is pigeonhole principle. Okay. Anyone has heard this name? Pigeonhole principle. Any idea?
Ma'am,
Have you
ma'am
heard
in
this?
logic.
In logic.
In logic. Yes.
What it is, please tell me. What it is? Yes, what is it in logic? Yes, who is saying it is in logic? Please explain where you came across pigeonhole principle in logic. Okay, let it be. I think you don't know that or you don't remember it. It's okay. Okay, I'll give you a situation. Suppose there are 13 friends. Okay, you have 13 friends. Can you hear me, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there are 13 students, 13 friends of yours. Okay, and one year you decide to gift them according to the month of their birthday. Okay, so the first friend's birthday falls in January, suppose. Hmm? So you will give him something, him or her. Okay, then second, what can happen? Second friend's birthday can be in February, third friend's birthday can be in March, likewise, right? You have 13 friends. तो आइडियल सिचुएशन क्या हो सकता है? What could be an ideal situation? That each friend has birthday in different month, right? Girls, you need to answer my questions.
Ma'am.
Each friend's birthday will fall in different month. So first 12 months or first 12 friends, there is no problem. Everyone has birthday in different month. What will happen with the 13th friend?
Ma'am, the month will repeat.
The month will repeat, right? Because there are only 12 months available. So that 13th friend's birthday will fall either in January, February, March, or any month. So what can you say when there are 13 friends and 12 months? What can you say? There is 1 month where two friends have birthdays, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But this is an ideal situation, I am saying. Is it compulsory that the first 12 friends have their birthdays in different month?
No, ma'am.
No. The first two may have their birthdays in January. It can happen. And then third, fourth, they have their birthdays in different months. And you are at the November now. And 13th friend again has her birthday in January. So how many have birthday in January? 3. Because the first 2 have their birthdays in January, and the 13th friend also has the birthday in January. So December there is no birthday. That can also happen, right? There is a month where there is no birthday. Yes, Renuka? What happened, Renuka? Renuka, you have raised the hand. Is there any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So first I placed them ideally one in each month, and the 13th friend falls, her birthday falls in either of the months, January or February. So what can happen that there is a month where there are at least 2 friends, right? At least 2 friends' birthday falls in same month. Do you understand this situation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us make it more simple. Suppose you are running a hotel. Okay, you have a hotel and there are 5 passengers arrived and you have 4 rooms available. Then how will you accommodate them? 5 passengers, how will you accommodate them? First you will assign each passenger one room, right? Ideally मैं कह रही हूँ, ideal situation क्या हो सकती है? That you will assign each passenger one room. So 4 passengers will be assigned 4 rooms. Now the 5th passenger is left. So you have to assign him or her the room available from these 4 rooms only. So what can you say? Can anyone describe this situation? किसी ना किसी एक रूम में डालोगे ना उसे? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is one room which contains 2 passengers, right? बट ये जरूरी है क्या कि पहले जो 4 पैसेंजर्स है उन सबको मैं अलग अलग रूम में रखूं? ये जरूरी है क्या? इज इट नेसेसरी?
No.
No.
I can assign two passengers in two rooms, right? In the first 2 rooms, and the 2 rooms I can make or I can keep vacant also. So first passenger goes to first room, second passenger also goes to first room, third passenger goes to second room, fourth passenger goes to second room again, and the third and fourth room I am keeping vacant, and the 5th passenger I am again assigning to room 1 or room 2. So there is at least one room in which 2 or more passengers stay, right? Are you getting it? Girls, say yes or no. If you don't understand, I will explain more.
Yes, ma'am.
So please try to understand these words. At least. At least का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by at least? At least means minimum that much, right? Minimum or more than that, right? Are you getting it? So when you say at
Yes,
least
ma'am.
4, इसका मतलब है 4 or more. At least 4 का मतलब है 4 or more. So when I have 5 passengers, so it can happen that these 5 passengers, I am assigning them in 4 rooms. How I am assigning them? 2 passengers here, 2 passengers here. So, and these rooms I am keeping vacant. R1, R2, R3 and R4. So I am assigning P1 to R1, P2 to R1. So R1 contains 2 passengers. Then I am assigning P3 to R2. P4 also, passenger number 4 also to R2. So R2 contains 2. I am keeping these two vacant rooms. Okay. So what will happen with passenger 5? Passenger 5, I will assign to either room number 1 or room number 2. So suppose room number 2 में मैं उसे डालती हूँ passenger को. So what can I say? At least one room in which 2 or more passengers stay. Okay. एंड आइडियल सिचुएशन क्या हो सकती है? दैट P1 को तुम R1 में डालो, पैसेंजर 2 को रूम 2, असाइन पैसेंजर 3 टू रूम 3, असाइन पैसेंजर 4 टू रूम 4, एंड द रिमेनिंग पैसेंजर, the left out, the fifth passenger, you can assign to any of the rooms. So there is at least one room which contains 2 or more passengers. Do you understand? We have covered both these situations here. When we say there is at least one room which contains 2 or more passengers. Okay? Will you please write down these two examples? Students, you are not answering me on time. And we are wasting our time. See, we are online. So you need to answer quickly to my questions. Yeah, write down examples. The first example. If there are 5 passengers, and only 4 rooms, then there is at least one room which contains, or in which 2 or more passengers stay. Second example, consider 13 children, and we note the months in which their birthday falls. Then there is at least 1 month it gets displayed immediately on the screen, what I'm writing, or it takes time? Girls, I'm asking you something.
Im-
Does it
Immediately, ma'am.
Then there is at least 1 month in which 2 or more children will have their birthdays in the same month, in that month. I hope you have understood these examples.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now we will write what is pigeonhole principle actually. Okay, there are two different versions, you can say. One is simple pigeonhole principle and the other one is generalized one. Okay, what right now I am describing is pigeonhole principle, the first case. The generalized one we will see after this. Okay, so you can write down the statement of pigeonhole now. See, though it gets displayed late sometimes because of network, if it is not displayed on the screen, you can listen to me and write down. Okay, don't wait for notes to appear on the screen. What I am writing, please listen to it carefully and complete your notes fast. Pigeonhole principle. So write the statement if n plus 1. So if you understand, पहले इसमें मैंने क्या लिया था, मंथ्स 12 लिए थे और चिल्ड्रन 13 लिए थे, एक ज्यादा लिया था. रूम्स ऑल्सो आई हैड 4 rooms and 5 passengers, so एक ज्यादा लिया था बस. Are you getting it? So here we will basically we are basically talking about objects and boxes. Okay, so we have n boxes and we have one more object, that means one more than box. If you have n boxes and you have n plus 1 objects, you want to place these objects in the boxes. Are you getting it? If n plus 1 objects, boxes से सिर्फ एक ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट में ले रही हो, सो क्या बॉक्सेस है और क्या ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, ये आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए. इफ n plus 1 objects are put in n boxes, then yes, anyone can complete the statement. Then what should I write? If I have n plus 1 objects and I'm putting them in n boxes, then what should happen?
N plus 1 into n.
No. See,
Ma'am, then at least one box contains at least two n plus 1 objects.
at least 2 objects. Yeah, because see, ideally what you will do, you have n objects, n boxes, sorry. हाँ, आपके पास ये n objects boxes है, right? What you will do, you will assign each object in each box, right? First object, second object, O1, O2, O3, you will assign in each box. So each box contains how many objects? Ideally 1. Now the last object, the n plus 1 object, where you will put either in either of these n boxes. So suppose मैंने first box में डाल दिया O1 and On plus 1. So the first box contains 2 objects, right? This is an ideal situation. But is it necessary that I will put one object in each box? Not necessary.
No, ma'am. Yes.
Not necessary. I can keep some of the boxes empty also. So कम से कम एक बॉक्स ऐसा होगा जिसमें कम से कम 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड इट?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी बॉक्स में 3 ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी हो सकते हैं. So the statement goes like this. Then there is at least, please try to understand this language, there is at least one box which contains at least 2 objects. Okay? आइडियल सिचुएशन में एक ही बॉक्स ऐसा होगा जहां पे मैंने हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट को एक एक बॉक्स में डाला है. Then there will be only one box which contains exactly 2 objects. But this is an ideal situation. This is not a necessary situation. what I can do is I can place 3 objects here in the first box. I can place 4 objects in the second box, and I can keep some of the boxes empty also. Okay. So that's the meaning of at least one box contains at least 2 objects. Are you following it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So करना क्या है, ये कब होगा? When the number of objects is just 1 greater than number of boxes, तब ये आपका होगा. लेकिन हमेशा ऐसा ही हो सकता है क्या सिचुएशन, that you have n boxes and n plus 1 objects? नहीं ना. Is it necessary that there are only 13 friends? ऐसा है क्या? You can have more friends, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can have 28 friends. So in that case, how you will think? So that's why we need to use generalized pigeonhole principle. Okay. Okay, we will have one example of this first of all. And then we will see what is generalized. Finished writing? Purposely I'm using
Yes,
these
ma'am.
colors. Please try to understand the significance of these words. At least one box contains at least 2 objects. Okay? Yeah. So let us see one example. Yeah. Show that at a party of 20 people, there are 2 people who have the same number of friends. Yes. How will you use pigeonhole principle here? See, when you go to any party, do you go to a party of an unknown person? If you don't know the person, do you go to the party?
No, ma'am.
No.
Or when there is a party going on of 20 people, can I say that each person has how many friends? How can you describe this situation? कम से कम कितने फ्रेंड्स होने चाहिए हर एक पर्सन के? ऐसा हो सकता है कि होस्ट के सारे फ्रेंड्स है ना? देयर आर 20 पीपल, तो उसमें से एक होस्ट है, राइट? और उसी के सारे 19 फ्रेंड्स है. ऐसा हो सकता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
या फिर क्या हो सकता है, आपके फ्रेंड के पार्टी को आप जाते हो क्या? जा सकते हो ना, दैट डिपेंड्स आपकी फ्रेंडशिप कितनी व्हाट यू से गहरी है, राइट? सो ईच मेंबर हैज एटलीस्ट हाउ मेनी फ्रेंड्स?
One.
One. Correct. Each member has at least one friend. And at the most, कितने हो सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स? 90. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, एक पर्सन होस्ट है, उस बंदे के ही सारे 19 फ्रेंड्स हैं. Getting the situation? So every person will have minimum one friend and maximum 19 फ्रेंड्स. जब मैं ये कहती हूँ मिनिमम 1, तो 2 भी हो सकते हैं, राइट? At least one friend and at the most 19 friends. That means the number of friends a person can have is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or up to 19. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, so right. At a party of 20 people, each member has at least one friend. Yes, any problem? And
No, ma'am.
at the most 19 friends. जैसे कि ऐसा हो सकता है ना, दैट आई एम गिविंग अ पार्टी टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स एंड आई हैव अ डिफरेंट group, right? I have 4 friends from my college. I have 4 friends from my society. I have 4 friends from the say some swimming class I am going. So I know all of them. ऐसा हो सकता है ना? Are you getting it? So 4 friends from my college. So they are also friends among themselves, right? Those 4 people. They are friends among themselves. Isn't it? Girls, are you there? Try to understand the situation. Yeah. So मैं सबको पहचानती हूँ, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि वहां पे बचे हुए 19 लोग भी एक दूसरे को पहचानते हैं या फ्रेंड्स है. The 4 people, I am saying that I have 4 friends from my college. Okay, so वो एक दूसरे के साथ भी फ्रेंड्स है, 4 people. So each person has 3 friends there. So this is the meaning that each one has at least one friend. और एक ही मेरा फ्रेंड ऐसा है जो किसी को पता नहीं, मुझको ही पता है बस. तो वो हम दोनों एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड है. So that is the situation, at least one friend and at the most 19 friends. Okay, so what are the boxes here and what are the objects here? Can you tell me? Have you identified the boxes and objects?
Sorry, friends.
What are the boxes and what are the objects here? Or pigeonholes? 20 क्या है? 20 क्या है?
Box.
No. Objects are
20 people.
Objects are 20 here.
Yes.
Okay, and what are the boxes here? Number of objects are 20 and number of boxes कितने हैं? How many boxes you have? 19.
19.
How you will label the box? ये जो बॉक्स है मैंने ऐसे नंबर डाले हैं बॉक्स को 1 2 3 अप टू 19. सो ये जो 20 पीपल है मेरे पास, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, मैं इनको एक बॉक्स में डालूंगी, नंबर 1 के बॉक्स में डालूंगी. इफ दैट पर्सन हैज 1 फ्रेंड, दैट पर्सन विल गो टू बॉक्स नंबर 1. इफ द पर्सन हैज 2 फ्रेंड्स, that person will go to box number 2. If the person has 3 friends, that person will go to box 3. If the person has 10 friends, that person will go to box 10. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
And number of boxes is number of friends. Okay? So write. Label the boxes. Label the boxes as 1, 2, up to 19. Okay? Yes, finished writing? So what we will do now?
Yes, ma'am.
If a person has 1 friend, we put him in the box labeled as 1. Okay? If a person has 2 friends, we put him in the box labeled as 2. मीटिंग 5 मिनट में एंड होगी, लेकिन यू विल रीजॉइन. हाँ गर्ल्स, अवर लेक्चर इज टिल 9 o'clock and I will take attendance in the last 5 minutes. Let us complete this problem. Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, if a person has k friends, or continuing in the same way, similarly, if a person has k friends, k की कंडीशन क्या है? 1 is less equal k less equal 19. Okay, then we put him in box labeled as k. Therefore, there are 20 people and 19 boxes. Therefore मत लिखो, since लिखो, since there are 20 people and 19 boxes, what can you say? पहले 19 लोगों को समझो अलग अलग नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स है. फर्स्ट पर्सन को 1 फ्रेंड है. पहले 19 आइडियली प्लेस हो गए. अभी ये जो 20th बंदा बचा है, इसको कितने फ्रेंड्स होने वाले हैं? इसके he will have also either 1 friend or 2 friends or 3 friends or 19 friends, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that 20th person also we have to put in either of the boxes. Okay? तो हम जिस बॉक्स में उसे डालेंगे, उस बॉक्स में कितने लोग हो जाएंगे? 2. Right? That
Yes.
box will contain 2 people. Okay? बट जरूरी नहीं है कि हर एक बॉक्स में कोई जाए, जरूरी नहीं है ऐसा. इट कैन हैपन दैट 4 people हैव 5 friends, राइट? तो 5 नंबर के बॉक्स में 4 लोग ऑलरेडी है, ऐसा हो सकता है ना सिचुएशन. Okay, since there are 20 people and 19 boxes, by the pigeonhole principle, क्या हो सकता है? At least one box contains what? बताओ. At least one box contains
2 people.
2 persons, 2 people, right?
2 person. Yes.
At least 2, actually at least 2 लिखना चाहिए यहाँ पे. At least one box contains at least 2 people. 3 भी हो सकते हैं, 4 भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन हम 2, so there are 2 people हम कह रहे हैं. So ये at least आप ऑप्शनल लिख सकते हो, लेकिन कम से कम 2 लोग तो होंगे ही. ओके, सो 2 लोग एक ही बॉक्स में, इसका मतलब क्या है? व्हाट डज इट मीन? 2 people in the same box. What does it mean? Why they are in the same box? Why they are in the same box? Because they have same number of friends.
Same number of friends.
Right. So